Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making slime, and I'll show you what I have for ingredients. Shaving cream, and the words might be backwards because we're doing it on the phone. And yeah, this one's like the smell is good. It would make your slime smell, and the smell would never come off. Like, you guys should get this shaving cream. It's called Dollar Tree. I got some Tide. I'm using clear glue because I have white glue, but I just don't want to use that one yet until I finish this one. And my food coloring, neon pink, and this marker to mix, and then my bowl. Okay, so let's add the glue. Oops. Let me take off this piece in the bottom. Okay, that's off. Then if you like, you have to add like your color first, because if you add your shaving cream and then your color last, then it would be like really hard. So let's add our color. Don't mind my sister. My sister's really crazy. So yeah.
Sophia, Dad told you to get him cookies and cream. You gotta get him.
Dad told you, sister. Bro, my sister over here crying like it's her business. That's a pretty color, guys. Let me show you. Look at the marker. It might look, yeah, you guys can see it. Look, it looks like orange on the camera, but it's really pretty. And it looks dark on the camera, but it's really pretty and light. And And then you're gonna want to add your shaving cream. As much you want. I want mine to be not that much fluffy, so we're gonna add it. Whoa, whoa. Okay, wait, guys. Let me put this. When I put the shaving cream, oh my god, it makes a pretty color. But what if you add the blue? Like if the Tide is blue and I wanna add a little more neon pink. Cause it's like not the good color. We're gonna mix. Oh, yeah. And when you open the slime and you're like far away, you can still smell it. Oh, it smells so good. I need still a little bit more shaving cream. Oops. I'm gonna mix that shaving cream on the. And I love how it comes in like swirls. Oh, it's my favorite part. I feel like when you're like in the bottle of clear, it looks like the slime is already done. But it's not. When I first got clear glue, I thought like the slime was already finished, but it's not. But now we're gonna add some Tide. Take the little cup and we're gonna pour a little bit of Tide in there. There we go. Now we're gonna put our finger like that. I don't add as much as you want, but if you add a lot, it would get hard. So trust you not to add a lot. So yeah. I'll be posting another video of me making another slime the same day after this video. But after when I'm done posting my other video, I'll probably just like post both of them at the same time. But it takes a long time, so I'm probably just gonna do one each one. Stick it out. Whoa, that's really soft. It's pretty neon color. Okay, so that's gonna be all for this video. I hope you like it, and I'll post another one. Bye.